Alright, another beautiful day on the Oregon coast. I just got back from Weimar. They don't have any razor clam guns. This is gonna be a real video. I got my kid playing out here, and my neighbor working on his house, and my dog right there, and cars driving by. Sorry for the noise. That bird will not shut up. That one won't either. Here comes the car. Oh. Shh. Okay, so here we go. What you need to build a clam gun. PVC pipe. This is 10 feet. I'm probably gonna get 3 guns out of it. 4-inch diameter, and then your handle. Why would I say that? Why would I go clam gun? Whatever. 3/4 inch. This is gonna be your handle. Then you got your caps, your bolts, your nuts, your washers. Your washers. Washers. I don't know anymore. I'm gonna use these Sawzall because putting that in a chop saw means I have to change out the blade. Who's got time for that? Drill bits. You see where that comes in handy. And of course our glue. All right, let's make this happen. So long, I'm gonna do 3-foot ones. I like the longer ones. You can pound on them and you don't have to go all the way down to the ground or the deadlift and hurt your back and go, oh, I can't clam anymore. It happened to me once. All right, so first one, 3 feet, doing Sawzall with thin blade, not a thick blade because it's a little chip. Just get her going, just like that. Oh, that's gonna be a mighty fine clam gun right there. Just a little uneven. Oh, there she goes. Little juice to get her going. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a better cut. And then, how long is this one? 3 feet right there. I'm just gonna eyeball. There you go. You got your makings of 3 clam guns. Pretty long. Yeah, that'll work. The edge on this, trash, but that'll work. Phew. Definitely a redo on that. Yeah. It's alright. Yes. So, next we will I'm about to caps. Typical. Next up, handles. I'm doing the foot. Longer, shorter, whatever you like. Then time for the drill. Some bolts and some washers. Right, bud? You want to hand me that cap? Oh, I definitely need that. Can I have that? Oh, you're the best. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Henry Man. Yep. You might need to drill a pilot hole. Got this marked off here at 6 inches. Eyeball it. Eyeballing is always bad. Should come out from your middle mark, 6 inches. So you got your 12-foot, 6 inches right there. I'm gonna put my nuts and bolts and stuff at, and nuts and bolts at 5 inches and 7 inches. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna try to get it as center as possible. Drill through your truck bed. There you have it. Oh yeah, Beach People clam gun. Let's hide that. Of course, that's not gonna fit. widen it. That just keeps you classy. Oh, now we're talking. Oh yeah. Almost got tricked there. A little off, but whatever. Time for a ratchet set. Washer. Don't crank down too hard because I mean it's not gonna crack. It'll crack eventually, but it'll bend. Here you have it. Handle. Now we need our little thummy. Just a little wider. Oh, that's good. All right, and your suction hole. There you have it. Put them on here, like so. Oh, thanks. Give a shout out to yourself, Kate. You just saved it.
You know, maybe move the camera to where you're standing.
Pro tip: camera faces towards you. Thank you. Caps go on this. And that's pretty much going to be your clam gun. I'm going to glue it. Oh, that's so snug. That might have been a bad idea. Then the final step is you got to take this edge off because you don't want all that going against the sand. You want an edge on this. A lot easier to get in the sand than that thick part. Okay, now we're gonna glue. But this is pretty easy if you have the tools. If you don't have the tools, just go buy one. But if you want veteran clammer status, you gotta make one. Just once in your life. Just make a clam gun. Brag to everybody. It's kind of fun, actually. So there we have it. You just made your own clam gun. Pretty cool. Now we just gotta see if they work. All right, Razor Clammers, that's it. Grind all that down. That's the last piece, and behold, the Razor Clam gun. Most efficient way to clam. And I'm a shovel guy, and I say that. I mean, I like using clam guns. But the snob in me likes using the shovel. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe. We are clamming tomorrow, Agate Beach, north of Newport. Not a lot of people know that there's razor clamming around Newport. A lot of people don't do it because it's a long hike in and the population isn't really there. But we're gonna go do it anyways. See you out there. Because this is the first time I've made a clam gun. I went over this, but just oh no!
Was that the glue?
Yes.
No, it doesn't.
I mean, that smells horrible. Bad.
It smells awful.
Drill gun. Drill gun. Drill. Pipe wrench. If you can unscrew that cap on the glue. A little embarrassing. Smells pretty good.